back to the EMNGEE channel. I'm G, and today we're gonna be making Shamrock shakes. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll get to it right now.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that new intro. If you did, make sure you smash like. Here's what you're gonna need: green food coloring, peppermint or mint flavor, sprinkles for decorations, some cherries, some ice cream, whipped cream, half and half or milk. So let's get to it. Alright, so what we're gonna need is 2 heaping scoops of ice cream. So I'm just gonna throw that in there right here, right now. And now I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of milk. Now we're gonna add our food coloring, about 5 drops. Now we add in our peppermint. A little goes a long way, so I'm just gonna put 1 drop. Alright guys, now we're gonna blend it up. Top it off with some whipped cream. And there you have it, laddie. That's how you make the nice shillelagh. Alright, yeah, that's delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Alright. Welcome back to the EMNGEE channel. I'm G. And damn, that one was fuck. That was good. Why the fuck did I do that, man? That was good. Shit. Damn, the pressure's on me. Let's go. Come on, we got this. Welcome back to the EMNGEE channel. I'm pointing at them.
Why?
They gotta feel that passion. They gotta feel it. They gotta feel that passion. Come on, I got this. Come on. Welcome back to the EMNGEE channel. I'm G, and today we're gonna make
What are you making?
we're making Shamrock shakes.
Okay.
I forgot for a quick second. Alright. Get the hero shot. Get the hero shot, the B-roll. Alright, stop recording, stop recording. Stop. Take picture.